And finally, I'll show you the baking. This is like the bonus stuff. If you don't have Ultibake, then it won't be easy to get these as textures. But if you have Ultibake, it is this simple. So you just hide this because we don't need this. And then we go to Ultibake and select make your profile. So, you know, whatever textures you have, in this case, we will need an alpha, a normal map, roughness, you know, most of the textures. And then we'll just select our pants here. And we do need a UV map. So let's look at the UVs. So none of these look really good, sadly. So let's delete everything and let's make a new one. So this will be our baked UV. So let's just go here. Let's do smart unwrap and let's do a pack with a bit of margin. And that's good enough for our use case here. So let's select our baked UV and let's select our object and then hit bake. And just like with any other Ultibake object, once it's done, you hit finalize and you will get your ready to export model, which has all the materials applied to it, as we can see from the generated material. And you can see from the textures that indeed we are using normal maps and all the other special masks that were embedded into our channel pack textures over here in the profile. That should be everything. Hopefully this is enough to make your decision. But if you have any extra questions or suggestions or just bugs, there's the Discord link on the store page, and you can join there to find me.